Everyone, back again to go through about the review scores in Airbnb. So yeah, it's not 100% straightforward. So I just wanted to go through it. I recently spoke to the Airbnb Superhost support. So the good thing about being a superhost is you get quite fast replies and a phone call as well if you want to go through things. And I was just curious because my score is pretty high. It's 4.87, and the last few reviews have been 5 stars, like for ages actually. And I was just wondering, it's going up quite slowly because I really want to get it past 4.9. So I just had a chat with them and can pass on this valuable information to you on how the scoring works. So yeah, if we just click on here, I'll show you that you can see I've got quite a lot of 5 stars and a few 4 stars. I've got 7. And you can see the comments here. And yeah, most people have been giving 5 stars. It's quite a while ago that I got 4 stars. So yeah, I'll just show you the email that after I had a phone call with Airbnb. So I've got 48 reviews that are 5 stars, and 7 of the reviews are 4-star ratings. So basically, they calculate the 48 times 5 equals 240. They make that points. 7 times 4, as we know, is 28. And then you total that. So that's 268 in total of points. And then you divide that by the total number of reviews. So 48 plus 7 is 55. I'll just go back here. You can see I've got 55 in total. So 268 divided by 55 reviews equals 4.87 average. And if we look here, I've got 4.87 average. And the good thing is I've got the guest favorite badge. So that's how it's calculated. And yeah, and then we can use this formula back on the other listing, which is yesterday got changed to 4.97, which was really cool because I got another 5-star yesterday for a recent stay. So here I'm just going to go on my calculator here. So we got 28 times 28 reviews of 5-star because I remember she's told me that. So that's 140 plus I got 1 review of 4-star, I think, plus 4. So and then divide that by 29. So that equals, yeah, it's just 4.965. So that's why I'm 4.97. So yeah, that's just how they calculate the reviews, and I hope that's helped you.